Daddy, no!
Simple things are with blessings. The simple things, them are with blessings, with blessings. What's up, guys? Welcome back to our channel. Before we get started, smash that subscribe button, give me a huge thumbs up.
Today, we're leaving out. We don't know where we're going. It's Family Saturday. So, oh, here's Daddy. So we are going somewhere as a family. Not sure where, but you will see where when we get there. All right? Got to the White River Bridge and decided, hey, who wants to go rafting? Let's go check it out. So, here we are, ready to go set sail. Quite a lovely scenery, you might add. Right, so here we were just loading up our little rafty and getting set for sail.
Hi guys, good morning. Welcome to Calypso, White River Rafting. Yeah man, my name is Captain Marky. Yeah man, we're gonna have a good time now, okay guys? We're gonna swim, we're gonna spend some time, alright? Yeah.
Go, Janae, yes, good job. Touch it, good job. Good job, Mama.
You know why we call it White River?
No.
It's the only river got white sand in the bottom of it.
Oh,
Only white sand, cause see, look.
yes,
See all the rocks?
yes.
And this is all the way from the top.
Are you, Miha? Be careful.
We said we can get up, remember?
You can't walk straight on it.
How?
You have to walk sideways like a crab.
Yeah.
This is fun.
I know, so relaxing.
Sunny. Ooh, but it is kind of cool.
Just what the doctor ordered, right?
When you're sad.
Yeah. Are you enjoying this? If you are, don't forget to hit that thumbs up while you're at it. And if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe.
We're gonna go swimming.
Don't let go. You got this, Mama. Hey, baby.
Hi, guys.
Hey.
Woo! This is fun.
I hope I'll be as brave as you. I hope I'll be as brave as
I
you.
hope you will be. I don't think Mommy likes when she's going so far. I want to push her too.
Where's to the paparazzi?
Hey, Daddy.
I go again.
Oh my God.
You like 10 years old like I sit down, you can't stand up in a way.
Woo!
Yeah.
Go, Dada.
Nice, see, back girl look clean.
Pretty.
And
Mm-hmm.
Can't jump off now, water.
yeah man, you can't jump, but you have to go swing certain way.
Daddy, no! Daddy! So after all that excitement, we took some photos, of course, for the gram. Not for the gram, but you know what I mean. Right. And then we just swam around a bit, enjoyed a little time, and then we headed back downstream. Go, Daddy, go! Go, Daddy, go!
Go, Daddy,
Go, Daddy, go!
Go, Daddy. Can people stand on the back?
No.
Huh?
Whoop! Jesus, there we lost it. Oh my God. Uh-oh.
We need Daddy, move!
I can do this already, you know, Baba.
That is so funny.
Take your hand out your
It
face.
seems like he's gonna have to put on my
Yeah,
glasses
you must
to
have
drive
lost them
home.
out there.
Yeah, it's fine if he can wear mine. Oh.
Hold it in, mommy. All right. Pull it up back. You have to pull it back up.
Put it on the next side now. Yeah, go on, man.
Go on, Shanae. Go, baby, go. Remember.
Goes in through the middle.
That one would have been good for. And it seems like Mommy is
For those who are unfamiliar with the White River, it ends right here. How beautiful are these turquoise blue waters. And across the sand, you have the sea. I had to give you another view of it. And there's a sea over there, and we're heading over to warmer waters. I know you're just imagining taking a dip right now. Wow. And I am just watching Daddy rinse out the sand that he picked up from his drum. And of course, you know, a little TikTok fun has to be in it. I could not leave without getting my dip. The water was just refreshing. Took a few more photos. Yay! Why is he doing that though? And then we were getting ready to head back upstream. Welcome to Janae when she doesn't get what she wants. You see her face? And you know every kiss counts, so...
See what?
Oh, they're far over. Not seeing them clearly. Yeah, I see them now. There, beautiful, beautiful.
Guys, you know, they say like most good things come to an end.
Right.
Unfortunately, this is where Mark is.
Very unfortunate. Very unfortunate.
Thank you guys for coming.
Thank you
I
so much.
appreciate it.
Thank you
If
so
you
much.
cannot make it, you can send mom or dad, auntie or uncle, the dog or the cat. I treat them just the same.
Wonderful. So we made our way to the changing room beyond this gate here. Quickly changed and headed for lunch, having it our way. Then for a little bit of shopping. She's a growing child, right? Took a walk in Island Village Plaza. Then to the garage. Busy day, right? But that's how it is. Busy, yet productive, yet fun, all in one.
You all see where we're at. Oh, Maria, and it's Mommy, Daddy, and I. And we are over at the park where we waited on my Nana.
TikTok family fun time. Is the routine perfect? Nah, but we had fun doing it, and that's what matters. Can you name the TikTok? Every little moment counts when you have the baby to work around, right? And she was just having a blast running around out there in circles. But that's fine. Children need this. They need this time to be free. Collected my Oreo cheesecake. Gave her a few moments with her friend. Look at that goodness.
Bye, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video.
Thank you for your
Subscribe and hit
continuous.
that thumbs up. And if you're new here, go subscribe.
Yes.
It's on both sides.
And
Thank
for
you.
our returning residents, big up yourselves. Big up yourselves.
Yourselves.
In case there's something else that you want to see,
You can
you know,
suggest it.
you can suggest it. The comment section is down there. Alright, so we're gonna wrap this up now. So take care of yourselves. This is where we say adios.
Bye.